Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to manage your Kraken account permissions in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings page. So just click on accounts tab, and that's going to take you to the account setting page where you can click on the permissions tab to access the account permission settings. Now there you can review your account permissions to ensure that they are set correctly. Also, you can update your account permission as needed to restrict or grant access to certain features. But once that's done, you can just click on the Save Changes button to save your updated account permission and verify your account permission by reviewing your account settings page to make sure that those changes have been acknowledged. That's pretty much it on how to manage your Kraken account permission in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.